Hello everybody, I'm Nick. What am I working on today? A golf cart. We gotta replace the rear sprocket, it's all worn down. And of course, it's welded on. So we're gonna have to try and grind off the welds. We bought a new hub and a new sprocket. We might have to weld the new one on because I don't know if there's a keyway. This might not be a proper shaft, it might just be a rod. So I don't know what I'm going to get into yet, other than a tree frog. Tree frogs in our golf cart.
Tree frogger.
We don't want tree frogs in our golf cart. Under the seat and on the muffler.
Oh.
That's pretty nasty.
No,
They'll either get squished or burned.
Oh, yum.
Yum yum. Right there. See, all that was welded on. We don't want that welded on. I'm going to try and grind it. That was horrible. Check out the difference in those teeth. Alright, let's put the new parts on. I think we're going to have to weld the new one on, but at least the sprocket will be bolted to the hub, so then when we replace it later we can unbolt it. Unlike this one, the sprocket was welded to the hub. Why? How about these? Like that.
We don't know yet.
Oh. There went all my nuts and bolts.
Oh.
All over the ground.
Oh, it's a switch to turn this on. Is this one a Milwaukee?
Yeah, that's the Milwaukee.
This one's a Craftsman.
Yep.
Here we go.
Alright, so I finally got it off. Got this part put together. I don't like how the Allen set screws there line right up with those bolts. No other way to do that as far as the bolt alignment. Obviously I could have set it on the shaft first, put the set screws in, and then attach the sprocket. That's the right way to do it. But we never do things the right way here. We do them our way. No, we need to weld this on. There's no Woodruff key, so no matter what, even if we tighten those super tight, it wouldn't have made a difference. So I'm just going to weld this back on, but I'm not going to weld the sprocket so that we can remove it later. Let's get to it. We're going to use a Deco welder. I think that's what it's called. Deco, yep, Deco welder. And hope we can weld it on good enough so that it doesn't spin off as soon as we start driving it. However, those last people welded it, they sure did it good. I had to cut that thing like crazy.
So the geese were honking at the geese and deer.
Yeah. I know. Yeah. So far so good. Hopefully the welds hold. All right, we got it all welded up. Hopefully the welds are good. Now it's time to clear off the tools, put it together, and see if it works. Predator something 212 or something in a old Yamaha golf cart. All right, time to try it.
So good.
chain's working, but the transmission isn't. I'll show you. We got a nail to shift the transmission. Oh, there's our transmission linkage. Yeah, not accurate enough. It comes loose. Let's go ahead and take that nail off for now. We're just gonna have to manually forward, reverse, neutral. Took the nail off. Go. Successful repair today. It doesn't always go that way. Have a good night.